Audi's dents on this Audi. With this dent being in this body line, we're going to go ahead and push it. It's going to be a little harder to glue pull. So we got the inner panel out. We're going to be able to slide a tool right on that thing and push her out. What'd you say? I couldn't hear you. Sometimes we have to polish our tip. Oh, better. I try to glue pull a little bit of it. Money shot. Finally found the right tool for the job. This is allowing us to get right on that dent and push that thing out. I'm gonna paddle you so good. That's a wrap. We got this Audi, what is this thing? Q5, all finished up. I'm gonna call a customer, let them come get it. Get close to the car.